Next stretch we're going to review targets the subgluteal hip rotator muscle known as your piriformis. The piriformis muscle deserves a whole video to itself. And this is in the works for future episodes, so stay tuned as always and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you're excited to learn this technique, always make sure that you just firmly press down on that like button and show me that you're enjoying this content. Now, the primary action of your piriformis muscle is that it laterally rotates the hip. One sign that you might have a tight piriformis muscle is if when you're walking, your feet turn outwards, right? So one of the benefits to stretching this muscle could be that you do it right in your seat. So all of you office workers with a tight piriformis, there's no excuse for you not stretching this muscle from a seated position. So to stretch it, you find a chair near a desk, and if you're near a desk, then what I want you to do is roll yourself away from that desk so that way there's nothing in your way. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to sit down with your knees bent at 90 degrees and your feet flat on the ground. Next, what I want you to do is on the side that you want to target, I'm going to do my right side. You're going to cross that leg over the thigh of the opposite leg. Then, when it's crossed over like this, you're going to lean into it and you're just going to get it to stretch. Just by doing exactly this pose, my foot is to the left and my knee is to the right, and I just lean into the thigh. Whew, you feel that stretch. Keep that, hold, breathe deeply, 30 to 60 seconds, or until you feel it release. And then when you're done, all you have to do is switch on to the other side, and that's how you stretch your piriformis muscle.